Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm the owner of Classic Shoe and Leather Service in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a third-generation cobbler with over 30 years experience. Our facility repairs all leather items. Come on in. Let's see what we're repairing today. Okay, so I got a fun little video for everybody tonight. This is just hopefully a quick video. We're doing a picnic basket restoration. We do lots of fun stuff like this. You can see that it's just kind of a nice little picnic basket. This is an antique picnic basket for a wedding that we're doing a restoration on. It's going to be a wedding gift. Now it's pretty old. I think she said it was like 60 years old. Open it up and see that it's nice. It's a nice little picnic basket. See that? Okay. What is wrong with this one is not too big a deal. The hinges are trashed. Right here, the leather hinges. You see right there. They are really messed up and worn out. Right there. And right there you can see that it's torn. Right there. Okay. That's dry rotted. She tried to condition it and bring it back, but it's way too far gone to do that in any kind of short order, and she wants to give it away as a gift, which this doesn't look very good as a gift. Also, the latigo lacing for the toggle right here is gone. So we're going to go ahead and just replace the two hinges and replace the latigo lacing. So I went ahead and made a couple of lacing, or a couple of hinge pieces. I just went ahead and did that real quick. You can see that on the other camera as well. I did that. I made those out of just some vegetan leather. This is I think 3.5, 4 ounce vegetan leather. I just had this laying around. And we did that. No big deal. We do this stuff all the time. Actually, right now I have 3 of these in here. I just completed this one earlier today. This is a nice little handbag. This is another antique. I think this one's 60 or 50 years old, something like that. We did the hinges, latigo lacing on there, and replaced the lacing for the toggle on that one. Let's again show it on the other camera if my editor would like to choose a camera. So we did the lacing on the back side here, and the lacing for the toggle here. Also restrung the toggle, so that's nice, like that. And it does open and close. Nice fit. Looks nice. Works nice. Just like it's supposed to. Yeah. So, did that one. I'm in process of fixing a little wicker bag. Once again, like I said, we got a bunch of these in here. We do this all the time. This one's just got a busted side, so we're just doing a little pigskin patch, and then this is all going to get sewn back up, and the lacing will get put back all the way around, and it'll get dyed in. It'll actually look really good once the lacing goes around and it gets dyed in. Nobody will notice as she's walking by. So, like I said, we do this all the time. But I thought we'd do a quick little video on how to do this one. Now, this being an antique, the most difficult part about this job is actually getting these nails out. You can see these nails right here, these tacks. They are embedded into the wood, and they are actually the most challenging part because we don't want to crack this wood. This is old wood, it's brittle, and if we pull too hard, try to just yank those out or anything like that, this wood's going to shatter. There's no question about it. So we're actually going to use a Dremel, and we're going to sand off the top of these heads right here, pull the leather off, and then we're going to push the nails through and pull them out the other side. That's going to be the best and safest way to do that. It is going to get a little noisy while I'm doing this, but you know, it's fun to use noisy tools. So let's go ahead and do that right quick. Got a camera that will actually show it. first hinge here. See, we got that ground off. Very careful not to hit the handle. I'm just going to take the leather, pull that away from the nails, just like so. Okay, we'll do that to the top as well and do the other hinge. Let's go ahead and do the other side of the hinge first. Probably should wear my safety goggles. I am so terribly bad about not wearing my safety equipment. That's why I got scars. See if we'll be able to pull that one off for the other camera. Let's see if that'll come with us. Yeah! Very, very nice. Love doing that. Alright, now we can take the lid off here. Set this aside for a moment. Now we can put this down so it's a little more stable to get these other ones out. We're going to do the same thing. Everybody watching? There, let me push this up just a little bit so that we can get a better view. Come on, camera. One hand and everything. We're going the wrong way. There we go. A little bit better angle there. Alright. How about you? Hey, better angle on that one too. Cool. Alright, and those came off, and those came off, very good. And we'll show you that my new hinges match up to the old hinges. They're almost exactly the same size. Yeah, pretty close. That'll work. Alright, set those to the side. It's pretty good guesswork. Alright. Let's get a punch. So here's the tricky part. Once again, we do not want to break the wood, so we're going to be very, very careful. Come on, get out of there. There it goes. That one went down a little bit. Let's see if we can grab those. Little nippers here. Not quite enough. That one, maybe. No, not quite enough. Gonna have to punch them through a little bit more. That up on the bench, so it's supported. That should be enough. Oh yeah. My other pullers. Very gently pull this out. There we go. We got a tack. A little bitty tack. Let's get some more of these out. Don't break the wood. There we go. Did not break the wood. Alright, let's get this other one out right here. Just on the end of the bench. Good. Very nice. We have one side of one hinge done. Let's go ahead and get the other side of one hinge done. So I show you these videos that have nothing to do with shoes, because I like for people to know that we do anything to do with leather. Has no problem or anything with what form it takes. We take care of leather. No matter what. So if you ever have a question and it has to do with a leather item and you're wondering if we can fix it, the answer is yes. It really doesn't matter what it is. We fix leather. Alright, set this over here. And let's move these out the same way. We're going to have to do these over here on the jack stand. So I'm going to take this camera right here. I'm going to move it over so it can see the jack stand right there. I'm going to pause this camera for a second. Alright, so as you'll see, jack stand's not nearly as stable as bench. Just got to be super careful. I got to find that place where I got a stable position. And then because I'm by myself most of the time doing this job, or any of these jobs, I'm good at figuring out ways to balance all these things at once. Alright. That looks good. Let's go ahead and work on that other side. Move that handle out of the way. The handle is definitely going to be in the way. Okay. Just gotta be careful with it. Get these nails out. Come out of there. There it goes. Alright. That should be enough to get all those out. I have to reset that. Alright, let's bring this back. That's back in place. Okay, sure we got a good angle there. Let's angle this back up. Oh, don't need to see my ugly mug. There we go. Turn that one back on. Okay. So let's go ahead and take these nails out the inside, from the inside. Very, very gently. And the copper rivet popped off. It's okay, we'll reset that. That nail did not want to come out of there. There we go. Put that in there. One more. This side. All right. Excellent. Let's get the other side out. Good. Excellent. One more. That copper rivet was not put on there very good. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Which is not hard. Copper rivets on. That's good. Okay. That's feeling much better. Let's go ahead and tack down our top. That's going to be the easiest one to tack down. The likelihood of me blind nailing these and getting them in the exact same hole is 0. So we're just aiming for a good spot. Pretty close. And bring it back over here to the jack stand. And we're going to go ahead and nail through. Pull that one back up. Let's see how close we got. Pretty close. Actually, just about spot on all of them except for that one. Not bad. Alright, cool. Move this back over here. Alright. Bring this on over. There's this set and marked. Now this is a little bit more challenging. Okay. I'm going to do 4 nails back here. The original had 3. Once again, we're not going to get it exact, so there's no point in bothering, and this will do better. So I've marked my 4 places. Go ahead and tack these nails in right quick. And once again, I'm here by myself, as usual. So I get to balance this while I'm doing it. Which I'm going to tell you is a lot of fun. Okay. Bring this camera back over here onto the jack stand. Take a picnic basket right here. Bring this up right where it's supposed to be. Make sure that is correct. That is correct. Alright, now let's do the other one. Really? Come on, get in there. Go where you're supposed to be. There you go. Very nice. Nope. Come on, go where you're supposed to be. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Now let's see if it fits. And it does. Oops. So our top fits nicely. As you can see, right where it's supposed to. Excellent. All right, let's replace this Latigo lacing on the front. That looks really good. Oh, let's see the nails on the inside. I'll show you the nails on the inside. They are peened over, no sharp edges. See? No sharp edges. Not snagging my finger. Alright. Now for the Latigo lacing. We're just going to go ahead and cut these old pieces off. Like so. Alright. We have new Latigo lacing. Very nice. Go through and tie one end with a cute little knot, and then we'll actually fix the other end after we get the other side done, so we know exactly how long it needs to be. And that's just a cute little knot right there, as you can see. That's more than enough. Spin that around. And we just have a toggle. So we'll cut this off right here. That toggle doesn't need to be very long. Looks like it's about an inch. So we'll run this through here. Actually, let's go ahead and tie the toggle first. Oops. Go through. Tie a knot for the toggle. And that's all that is. Knot for the toggle. We're going to put it through the front end of the picnic basket, right here. proper length. That should be correct, right about there. We're going to go through and we're going to pull it so that we have a proper length. That looks to be about right. That's right. That's good. Cut that off. Let's close our lid. Lacing is facing the right way. Right, that can come loose and held. That is the right length. That looks nice. Alright, make sure we leave that right there. Open the lid and tie it off the right place. So I want to tie it off to where it knots right there. Check that again to make sure that it is still correct. It is. Yay! And we have new hinges and toggle lacing on an antique picnic basket. Alright. So, once again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It looks nice, huh? It did very pretty. I'm happy with the job. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Join us again for our next one. Thank you very much. Have a good night.